Chenming Hu's achievements regarding transistor models and novel transistor structures have enabled production of the smaller yet more powerful and cost-effective computers and electronic devices that proliferate society today. While a student at National Taiwan University, Hu became interested in semiconductors. As a graduate student at the University of California, Berkeley, he joined a research group working on metal oxide semiconductor, or MOS, transistors. Until the mid-1990s, advances in chip technology continued as predicted by Moore's law, the observation that the number of transistors on a chip doubles roughly every 2 years. But it was becoming clear that two-dimensional, planar MOSFET transistors could not deliver continued performance improvements as dimensions were scaled down. The planar MOSFET device was unable to completely control the current flow with very short channel lengths. There was concern that Moore's law might come to an end when the size of a critical transistor feature, then around 350 nanometers, reached below 100 nanometers. Hu rose to the challenge to save Moore's law. Then a professor of electrical engineering and computer science at Berkeley, he conceived the idea of raising the channel through which current flows so that it sticks out above the surface of the chip. This fin-field effect transistor, or FinFET, was so named because it resembled a shark's dorsal fin. It took another decade, however, before chips using FinFETs were manufactured. During that time, Hu took a break from Berkeley to serve as Chief Technology Officer of the semiconductor manufacturer TSMC in Taiwan, which he saw as an opportunity to pay back the country where he received his initial education. When he returned to teach at Berkeley, he planned to do research in energy topics, including hybrid cars, and became known for incorporating the latest developments in technology from industrial practice into his teaching. And when the semiconductor industry moved to sub-25 nanometer geometries, FinFETs came into play. Intel began using the FinFET for mass production of computer processors in 2011, and today, practically all high-end computers, smartphones, and communications devices use FinFET. As a professor emeritus, Hu still works with graduate students. And Moore's law has not come to an end, even at 25 nanometers. The IEEE Medal of Honor is sponsored by the IEEE Foundation.